Hi everyone and welcome to Triple M Adventures with Bill. This is part 7 of the newbie setting up a quad for a newbie. And I came across a problem. I did the second flight of the little quad and there was a problem because the battery voltage said it dropped within about 20 seconds of flying. So I need to calibrate the battery voltage in Betaflight. So let's take a look at this and see. It's the first time I've done it, so you'll be witnessing me doing it for the first time. Okay, let's switch over to the computer. Okay, we need to open up our Betaflight. We're going to need a multimeter to do this job, so here's my multimeter. All right, plug our quad in. Luckily, I've got a connector on this little quad that I can check the voltage while it's actually connected to Betaflight. So let's connect our quadcopter. Okay, we're going to go to power and battery. And let's take a look. Voltage 3.6 is what it's showing me now. Okay, let's just check the voltage. I've got 3.7 on the meter and we're showing 3.6. So it is a little bit low. Now, apparently we need to change down here, the voltage scale. So let's just take it up until we get, I think we've got to go up until we see that change, the voltage change to 3.7. Okay, let me get that to let's go calibrate. To calibrate using a multimeter to measure your, use a multimeter to measure the actual voltage current drawing your battery plugged in and enter the values below. Oh, measured voltage. Oh, here we go. Okay. Right. So you see, we're all learning something. Volts measured was 3.7. Okay, calibrate. Apply calibration. Oh, well, that's easy. Right, and we're just going to say save. And there we go, 3.7. Oh, that was easier than I thought. I thought we were just going to have to go and put the scale in, but we've got a calibration system there. That's great. Okay, you see, I'm learning at the same time. Let me just check the voltage again on my battery, just to make sure. Okay, it's dropped slightly now because the battery's been on for a little while. It's 3.66, but it was 3.7, so we should be good now. So I'll get another test flight and then come back to you and tell you if it flew a lot longer. Because Eachine say that it will fly for 3.5 minutes, but it flew for about maybe 1.5 minutes. But I'm going to go and test it now, and then I'll come back to you and let you know if the battery calibration worked. Okay, thanks. Bye for now. Okay, we're back. You can see straight away, look, we've got a 3.8 voltage on our battery, and it's saying battery not full. I'm going to take off in a minute. I think it takes about 10 seconds before it says low battery warning. So that obviously, what we've just done didn't work to solve the problem. Let's wait till I take off. The camera quality is looking good. Off I go out of my office into my lounge, and there we go. Low battery warning already, dropped to 2.9. As you can see, I had problems with the battery voltage. So how I've resolved this, let's go and have a look at Betaflight, and you'll see I changed the settings. I've put a minimal cell voltage of 2.9. I've upped the maximum cell voltage to 4.5. This is to stop the error, and you will see when I plug let me plug the battery in. You'll see it's at the top, it's now going to come up with connected yes cells 1, and that figure there, the maximum cell voltage, needed to be higher so that it constantly only showed 1 cell. Then I've lowered the warning to 3 volts so that I stopped getting the warning. I came across a problem, and I think this battery that came with the quadcopter is faulty, because what I did, I'm going to show you a picture. I took a 500 milliamp hour battery, which is a lot bigger, and just double-sided taped it to the bottom of the quad, and it worked fine. Obviously, there's a lot more weight on the quad, but it flew fine, and I checked the motors and everything. You know, they weren't warm. So it appears I've probably got a faulty battery. So maybe the standard settings would have been okay, but definitely the 4.5, your maximum cell voltage, needed to be adjusted to get us down to when we've got a battery connected, it says 1 cell. As you can see from the screen, I've got, I started off with 4.1 and it rapidly dropped to 3.6, 3.7 volts, but I'm not getting any warnings. So I just fly around my house with the 500 milliamp hour battery on, and you'll see I'm not getting any warnings. So I'm sure it's the battery that was supplied with the quadcopter has a problem. As you can see, I've been flying for 2 minutes and 17 seconds and we're still at 3.4 volts. And you see I accidentally crashed the quad in a second, and you'll see the figures, the total figures of the flight, all the stats for the flight. We're down to 3.3 volts, but I'm still not getting any warnings. 3.2 volts, 3.3, whoops. And then you can see the flight was 2 minutes and 53 seconds, the battery voltage 3.4. So I think it's conclusive that the battery that came with it, there's a problem with it. It was in the poster over 3 months anyway to get to South Africa. I hope this video has given you an insight into calibrating your battery and some of the problems that you come across when you're setting up your quadcopter. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye for now. Bye.